Hello everyone, I am Gitanjali from Tux Academy. Welcome to this video where we will see how Python strings behaves in Python and how does the strings variable is stored in Python actually. What will happen in the background if you create a new string variable using another string variable. Let's try to understand how does the string behaves in Python actually in an internal way. Suppose here we have created a string objects like this. What happens inside the memory? Whenever a string object is created, a placeholder is reserved in the memory. We can say a particular string object, the placeholder to store this string is created in memory and is reserved to store this data, this content of the string, and we name this as S. This is a memory area, a part of the memory that holds the content of the string. This is the object actually. The object is the content which is stored in this particular place of memory is hello world, and we name it as S. S is the name of this particular address space. Now what happens? What do you think? What happens if we created a new string like this? We created a new variable L and just assign it an already existing string to L. What will happen in the background now? Will it create a new string L? Will it reserve a new address space of memory to store the content of L? What will this assignment do? Will it also reserve another address space to which is named as L, or will it point to, or L will also point here? Actually, what happens in the background when you assign an object like, when you create a new string object like this, L is not going to take any new space inside the memory, but an alias is created. That means this is the address space A. Suppose this is the address space A. Now A contains the hello world, the content of the string, and this particular address space may be accessed via using S as well as L. That means we will not have two string objects in memory. String object is still one because the content is the same. If the content will be the same, it is not going to create another string object L. L तब तक क्रिएट नहीं होगा जब तक आप L का कंटेंट हम चेंज न करें via some method. So this is how the string object stored in memory. When you assign a variable like this, there are now assigning a variable like this will create just an alias for the same address space of memory. Now, how will you check whether L and S are the part of the same memory space? Or we can say, how will you verify whether N and S are the same objects, not the different object? Python provides us a way to check this using ID function. You can check it by using your favorite print statement like this, ID of L, and if the contents of L and S are same, it will return the same memory address space. If the memory address space is same, you can say that both are the same objects, not the different object. Thanks for watching.